Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this burgundy smoky eye for New Year's Eve. And if you want to see how to create this look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna be using a lot of burgundy and darker shades. I've already done my foundation and concealer, and I've already set under my eyes with a bit of extra powder just to make sure I don't ruin my foundation while I'm using my eyeshadows. So first I'm going to be taking a transition shade. It's a warm brown, and I'm gonna be putting that into my crease, and I'll use a Morphe E23 brush. So next I'm taking a highlighting shade to highlight under my eyebrows, and it's a matte under the brow bone shade. And also I'm blending the highlighting shade with the transition shade I have applied earlier. Next I'm taking a smaller blending brush, and this is the Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to be using a darker color on the outside of my eye. And I'm also taking the dark shade into my crease, but not too much. To blend those two shades together, I'm going to be taking a clean, fluffy brush and blending all the colors. To intensify the eyes a little bit more, I'm taking a matte black color, and I'm going to be putting that on the outside corners of my eyes and blending it towards the inside. Dark burgundy again with another brush, and applying that on top of the black just to bring that burgundy shade again. Taking a shimmery burgundy color, and I'm going to be putting that on the center of my eyelids and avoiding the inner corner, because I'm going to be putting a lighter shade on the inside corners. And to apply the burgundy shade, I'm going to be taking a flat brush. And to further intensify the eyeshadow, I'm going to be spraying a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush and taking that same color to make it a little bit more shimmery and more like a foil effect. I'm taking the same brush with the dark burgundy color, and I'm going to be blending the shimmery shade with the matte shade. Next I'm taking a small pencil brush, and I'm going to be using a lighter shimmery shade, and I'm going to be applying that on the inside corners of my eye. Again, I'm blending both the burgundy shimmery with the light shimmery shade with the same flat brush, just using some patting motions. Again, I'm going to be fixing my brush with Fix Plus to intensify the highlight on my inside corners. I'm taking a black gel eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying that inside my eyes using a smaller detail brush. And I'm also doing the waterline from the top lash line as well. Now I'm going to be take what's left on the small detail brush from the gel eyeliner, and I'll run that on the lower lash line as well. Next I'm taking a small brush like that. It's a flat detail brush, and I'll use a dark burgundy to blend my lower lash line. Bigger brush to blend that dark burgundy with a lighter color, the same transition shade I used in my crease. Now I'll take a Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner in black, and I'm going to be lining my top lash line. Applying a coat of black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Next, I'll be filling in my eyebrows using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit in dark. I'll be applying an eyebrow mascara to my eyebrows, and I'll be using my Rimmel Brow This Way Brow Gel in dark brown number 003. Okay, next I'm going to be applying some false eyelashes. These are the Dodo lashes in the style D119. And the eyelash glue I'm using is the Duo Clear Eyelash. Okay, while the lashes are drying, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder from under my eyes. Okay, while the lashes are still drying, I'm going to be dusting off all the powder, all the excess powder from under my eyes. Taking my eyelash curler to blend both the falsies and the my real lashes together. That's my eye makeup done. Now I'm going to be doing my lipstick, and I'm going to be using a nude pink color from Jouer, and it's the Tawny Rose Lip Cream. To be adding some highlighter to my face, and I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl highlighter in the shade Ballerina. Guys, is the finished look for today's smoky eye. I've used lots of burgundies and some dramatic eyelashes, and I've also done like a nude pink lip with that look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!